Hey there, welcome to Brainwave Broadcast Nexus. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of blood? You might think blood is just a red liquid that oozes out when you get a cut, but it's so much more than that. Blood is like a bustling city inside your body with different components working together to keep you alive. Imagine zooming in on a drop of blood with a super powerful microscope. You'd see a whole universe of tiny particles floating around in a yellowish liquid. This complex mixture is what makes blood so amazing and important for our bodies. Each part has a special job to do, like delivering oxygen, fighting off invaders, or helping you heal when you get hurt. So let's roll up our sleeves and get ready for a thrilling journey through your veins and arteries. Let's start with plasma, the unsung hero of blood. Plasma is the liquid part of blood, making up about 55% of your blood volume. It's mostly water, but it's packed with important stuff. Plasma is a pale yellow color, not red like you might expect. It's full of proteins, hormones, nutrients, and waste products. Plasma transports nutrients from your digestive system to all the cells in your body. It also carries hormones, which are like chemical messengers that tell different parts of your body what to do. Plasma helps maintain your blood pressure and body temperature and contains special proteins that help your blood clot. Plasma is truly the Swiss Army knife of blood components, versatile, essential, and always ready to help. Now let's talk about the stars of the blood show, red blood cells, or RBCs for short. These little guys are the reason your blood is red, and they have one of the most important jobs in your body, delivering oxygen to all your cells. Red blood cells are packed with a special protein called hemoglobin, which grabs onto oxygen molecules in your lungs and doesn't let go until it reaches cells that need it. The iron in hemoglobin is what gives blood its red color. Your body makes about 2 million new red blood cells every second because RBCs only live for about 120 days before they're recycled. Red blood cells are incredibly flexible, which is good because they need to squeeze through tiny blood vessels to reach all parts of your body. Section 4. White blood cells, the body's brave defenders. It's time to meet the tough guys of the blood world, white blood cells, or WBCs. These cells are the bouncers of your body, always on the lookout for troublemakers like bacteria, viruses, and other nasty invaders. They're the main players in your immune system, ready to fight off anything that might make you sick. White blood cells come in different types, each with its own special skills. Some can engulf and destroy invaders, while others make antibodies to fight off specific threats. When you get a cut or an infection, white blood cells swarm to the area to fight off any bacteria that might try to sneak in. One of the coolest things about white blood cells is that they can learn and remember, which is how vaccines work. They teach your white blood cells how to recognize and fight specific diseases before you ever get sick. Section 5. Platelets, nature's band-aids. Let's give a shout out to the smallest heroes in our blood, platelets. These tiny cell fragments play a huge role in keeping you from bleeding out every time you get a cut. Platelets are like the construction crew of your blood, always ready to patch up any leaks in your blood vessels. When you get a cut or scrape, platelets spring into action, forming a plug to stop the bleeding. Platelets also release chemicals that help the blood clot and start the healing process. Without platelets, even a small cut could be dangerous. So next time you get a paper cut and it stops bleeding quickly, thank your platelets for their hard work. Section 6. Understanding blood, the key to health. We've taken quite a journey through the amazing world of blood. We've met the main players, plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, and learned about their incredible jobs. Understanding blood components is crucial for maintaining good health. When doctors do blood tests, they're looking at these different parts to get a picture of what's going on in your body. Low red blood cell count? You might have anemia. High white blood cell count could be a sign of infection. By knowing what's normal, we can spot when something's wrong and take action. Understanding blood can help us stay healthy too. Knowing the importance of iron for red blood cells can motivate us to eat iron-rich foods. And recognizing the role of platelets might make us a little more careful to avoid cuts and scrapes. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel for more amazing video.